Estos son baños.
Oh, for real? Ay, papá Dios.
You should be able to text him. And yeah, I'm assuming he's in. I've been working on a project for it's just I realize you gotta stay up late to do what I gotta do.
So man.
What up, bro? Did they let you in?
They did, yeah.
Sweet. I'm like, how's your foot today? I don't think they know which one. They probably don't care which one. They just want to put the job.
Shoot. Estos gaskets, si tuvieran un poquito de stickiness,
That's exactly what I was saying yesterday.
bro, it will make it so much easier. You need this drill?
Yeah, you go ahead and finish that.
So I just go through todo lo que tenga abierto, or how do you want me to? No, but I'm saying what you have left.
Well, we have this one over here then too.
Or whatever you need me to do, whether it's this or something else, I don't care.
Yeah.
Where are the plates for this one? Forgot my coffee in the car, bro. Following the news about that virus on that cruise? No. Oh yeah, no, but I'm talking about an actual like COVID, like. Oh yeah, con este sí que you can't play.
Just not big.
I never had a problem with any of them.
No, I believe you. You gotta believe me that there were holes that were really
I mean, I don't doubt it. Just
It's Sunday church. I got some gift. I got some gift that I ordered that my wife wanted. Started looking at the prices. I'm like, this is your kids buying your stuff. You know they're broke, right? Oh yeah, this setting is much better. I was watching that documentary, The Hulk Hogan on Netflix. Pretty interesting to say the least. Bro, what else do you need help with?
gotta get better weight. De las placas es estos dos nada más. Porque los otros, como son cajas viejas, ya tienen.
I think I did Tokyo. I got stuck yesterday. Y ahora, y eso no quiere helmet.